In this video, we're going to be talking about Harmony One. We're going to be analyzing the price of Harmony One to see what price is doing and where price can go. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe as I'm trying to hit 500 subs. As well as that, before investing into Harmony One, please do your own research as I'm not a financial advisor. So as you can see on CoinMarketCap, Harmony One is down 10.62%. On the daily, so you can see here that we're almost down 10% for Harmony One. It is looking very bearish for Harmony One. Nothing crazy going on apart from a price dropping crazy amounts, 10% on the daily. But let's quickly look at the weekly. We can see on the weekly we were pretty much bearish, but then we had a huge uproar towards the upside. We did reach the highs of 0.16, and then looks like we are now approaching the downwards area. We're back into the bearish zone. But looking on the monthly, we can see on the monthly here that we're still in a very strong bearish zone. Probably a really good time to buy in at as of right now. You can see here that we're still below the equilibrium of a 0.18, which shows the green and the red. So yeah, we're still in bearish territory, but looking towards the quarterly, we can see here that Harmony One was pretty much bullish. As you can see here, we were pretty much in an uptrend, and then therefore we had a huge and a distribution phase essentially, and then therefore price just keep on dropping. But we have to take into the current market conditions of Bitcoin as well. But let's quickly go over to the chart on TradingView to have a bit more in-depth analysis. So as you can see here on TradingView, looking on a daily, we can see here that we've pretty much been very bearish. And you can see here we did make a double top of 0.3, pretty much 0.37. Yeah, so 0.37, pretty much reaching the 0.8 essentially, and we failed it to reach above it, so therefore price just dropped. You can see here we had the breakout structure pretty much liquidating all of these buyers, all of the buyers there, and all of the buyers within this region. And then you can see here that on the let me quickly draw Fibonacci, and then we can see here that price did approach the point, did come into about the 0.382 and the 0.236 region, and then therefore we had another drop. So let me quickly so if we redraw this on the other side, let me quickly check. Okay, so if we draw from this high to the bottom of this low, where can we see price coming up towards? In my opinion, we could come up to the 0.618 or the 0.5 region. And the main reason is because between those regions it is a very strong reversal zone, so we could have a huge retracement from the high to the low, and then therefore you could possibly even make another lower low essentially. But in my opinion, it looks like we are starting to make a strong accumulation phase. So you can see here the selling climax, the secondary test, the spring, and now it looks like we're going for the retest, and then from the retest onwards we should have some bullish intent coming in for the market. So yeah, it's looking good. It's looking good for Harmony One on the lower time frames, but on the daily, it just looks like that we're just waiting on confirmation of if we are going to be approaching the 0.618 and the 0.5 region, which is this dark green area. But my main target, short-term target, would roughly be this high. So let me just quickly get rid of this. So yeah, this would probably be my main target, as this is what caused the major breakup structure from this low, pretty much making a new lower low essentially. And yeah, pretty much targeting this demand zone, so invalidating all of this. So you can now see that this is a demand zone that price is more interested into. As you see, being tested once and now being tested again twice. But let's quickly look at Bitcoin, how Bitcoin is doing. You can see here Bitcoin is now at, we did reach the highs of 40.316 yesterday, but it looks like the Bitcoin is coming back down. We did hit the low of 37.3k. Let's quickly drop into the 4 hour to see what price is saying. Looks like there's an accumulation phase being played out as well for Bitcoin as well. You can see the selling climax, the secondary test, the spring pretty much liquidating all of these buyers, and then therefore we are waiting those liquidity point beyond here, pretty much liquidating all of this, and then from there off for, and then there onwards, we should have another uptrend, pretty much another leg towards upside, possibly even reaching the high of 44.7, even liquidating all of this region of the 45k. So yeah, it's looking good for the overall crypto market. We're just gonna have to wait and see how this plays out. So Harmony One is pretty much overall bullish, even though it is down 10% on the daily. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe as I'm trying to hit 500 subs and peace.